Facing temporary financial hardship, SoFi may offer a forbearance or payment modification program for eligible mortgage borrowers. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This is not a self-service feature. You must contact SoFi's mortgage servicing team directly. Explain your situation, job loss, medical issue, etc. They will review your eligibility for options like a temporary payment pause, forbearance, or a loan modification to adjust your terms. Any agreement will be formalized in writing, detailing the new terms and its impact on your loan. My crucial pro tip: contact them before you miss a payment. Proactive communication is critical. Lenders are often more willing to work with you if you reach out early. Missing a payment without speaking to them first can severely limit your options and damage your credit. Navigate financial difficulty with a plan, not panic. What's the most important thing to have ready when you call a lender about hardship? For more guides on managing financial tough spots, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.